So I see I have this change. I have these 3 dots. It's different command. We won't see them now. Here we are at the bottom of the change. We have a small branch actually of the path, similar to the icon at the at the bottom right of the to open or close the Git panel. This means that we are in a main branch called main. In Git there are several branches. Right now we won't bother with that. And now we can try the button stage all, which will actually run when we go on the button. Before clicking on it, we see this command. This is the Git command that will be executed. So let's click stage all.